Are you tired of all this tap airdrop? Well, I have a good news for you. And in this video, I'm going to show you only 2 tap airdrop to do right now. Now, over the last few weeks, Hamster Combat disappointed a lot of persons. Likewise, Catizim, which gave people smaller amount of money. But if you've been following me on this channel, I've only talked about 3 Telegram airdrop that I've launched so far, and they include Notcoin, Docs airdrop, and Pixelverse airdrop. Now, out of these 3 airdrop, 2 did very well. From Notcoin, I made about $1,000. From Docs, I made about $480. And Pixelverse actually disappointed us. And this simply tells you that I actually studied this airdrop before talking about them on this channel. And that is why you need to do the 2 airdrops I'll be talking about in this video. Now, the name of this airdrop includes Notpixel airdrop and Moonberg airdrop. So the reason I'm recommending Notpixel airdrop to you guys is because Notcoin has actually been shilling Notpixel on their Twitter page. You can see a lot of tweets they've made about Notpixel, and Notpixel have come out to see they are going to launch in November of 2024, which means you're not even spending time for this airdrop compared to Hamster Combat that took over 6 months and TapSap that is even yet to launch up to this time. So these are some of the bullish signs why I think Notpixel is going to do well. And for the second airdrop, which is Moonberg airdrop, now the reason for this is these guys have a very good team that comes from Binance and very big platforms already. And aside from that, they don't have a lot of users, just about 500,000 users. And you know that Hamster Combat did not do very well because they had over 300 million users. And these guys have smaller amount of users. So even if they allocate small portion of tokens to these 500,000 persons, you will see that the airdrop will make a lot of sense because they don't have a lot of users. And that is why I'm taking Moonberg airdrop seriously. Finally, Moonberg have stated that their TGE is going to be in Q4 of 2024, which is between October to December, which is not far from this time. And these are the reasons why I'm farming this airdrop. So right now, let me show you how to stay positioned for this airdrop. And before starting this video, make sure to like this video right now and subscribe to this channel. Have you done it? Let's get started. Alright, so the first step is to click on the link which I'm going to leave in the description. And once you click on it, it's going to bring you to a section where it's going to calculate if you have Telegram Premium and how long you've been on Telegram. You can see mine right here. I have about 30 million points so far. And that is simple. It's just like Docs airdrop. You're not doing anything here again. Just click on tags. And if there are new tags, just click on join, and that's all. I'll go back again, and I've collected that point. And this one, I've also collected this point right there. So you can see I'm done with the tags, and I've done about 20 tags so far. So all you just have to do is keep coming here to check out if there are new tags and go ahead to do them. And you can also refer your friends by clicking on friends and copy your referral link and share it to your friends. And that is all of the steps for this airdrop. You can see how easy it is. So since we are done with Moonberg airdrop, let's get started with Notpixel airdrop. Right, so the first step is to click on the link, which I'm also going to leave in the description. Now it's going to show you who are you. Right, so when you open the app, this is how it looks like. Now the task is for you to mimic this right here that is on the top left of your screen. And you can see right here I have about 4,757 points. So all you have to do is to paint it to look like this one here. So let's zoom it out, and I want to paint the river properly so that it would carry the color. So I'm going to pick this color and change it to this blue. Make sure it looks like this. So this is the river section of it. I'll select this point here. I'll select this point which is not blue. I'm going to click on paint, and right now you can see it's blue. You can go over to the next one, click on paint. You can see it's blue. Next one, click on paint. You can see it's blue, and right here you can see it says no energy. So I have to wait for some time to get energy, or I can click on it and wait for 6 minutes to get more point to actually start painting. Or I can click on use booster, and while that is claiming, I can click on paint reward and click on buy for 5px, which is the token name, and then I can also click on it again and buy for more. So I don't want to spend it so much like that, but let's do recharge speed, buy for more, 100px, and energy limits, let's do buy for more. Okay, I'll just do one more again, and that's enough. I'll go back, and right now I can paint. Let me paint here. I'll click on paint, select here. I'll also click on paint. No energy again. So you can see I've exhausted it already. So I need to boost it enough, or wait for this particular period of time, 4 minutes, to get the full boost again. But let me try to upgrade it even higher. So you can see I've spent a lot of my points already. But it doesn't mean because I obviously get that back while I'm playing the game. But please don't exhaust it that well. We don't know what is going to be their criteria this time around. So let's go ahead and paint this. So I'm going to give this some time so I don't spend all the tokens I've mined so far. And this is basically all of the steps on how to do all of these tasks. You can see it's very simple. When it gets to this point, I'm going to change the color to blue, and then I'll start painting it to make sure it looks like this green right here, green not blue. Okay, and finally you can also refer your friends to play this game by clicking on refer, this human icon here, and you can see I've referred 380 persons. Copy your link and share with your friends to get started with this airdrop. So this is all of it about the Notpixel airdrop. So guys, this is it about the 2 airdrops I'm going to recommend, and you can also do this 1 airdrop right now. If you want to make money from airdrops, then do this airdrop right now. First thing you're going to do is to click the link in the description. Now the link is going to bring you here, and you have to sign up with either Google, Binance, your email, or any other platform you actually want. So once you've signed up, log in your account right away, and once you log in, then click on these 3 dashes right here, click on lots token, scroll down and click on start earning. You can come here and claim these points daily, refer your friends and claim your referral. Scroll down here and do some of these tags and go to the level 3 and claim all of them. And once you do that, you keep claiming points that will make you eligible for this airdrop. We've come to the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to this channel, and make sure to click on the notification bell because I have amazing videos that will be coming very soon. I will see you in my next video.